In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create listing configurators. The listing configurators are mainly for creating listing to the channels. It saves all the common options and settings for the listing channels actually. Okay, click here inventory and listing configurators, then eBay, and add new. The eBay account, select your eBay account. eBay configure names, just make name, any name fine. Select group name, this one for organize all your configurators here. If you want to add more configurator name, and you can go here, system settings, then manage groups, and for configurators, then add new here. Okay. Now you can select the country you want to list. I want to list on ebay.co.uk. So this. Okay, and listing format, I'm going to keep it by it now. And listing durations, I'm going to keep it GTC. Okay, max list quantity. The reason for this one for here is, so if you put say 5, what will happen? It will show only 5 in your eBay listings. So every time it's sold, it automatically change to 5. So if your inventory item goes below 5, it then change to 4, 3, 2, 1. Minimum list quantity. If you want to list out of stock item on eBay, and just put 1, and it will create listings. Then after synchronize with original on inventory to eBay, then it will update the inventory item stock level into eBay. Use default tags. If you want to add tags, and add the tags. Max quantity per buyer. If you want to add restriction for buying quantity as a buyer, what will happen if you put 2? Buyer cannot buy more than 2 for the listing, whatever any listing you created from this configurator. Okay. Now this one, where or do not list where or block keywords items. Okay. For this one, if you click this one, where or items cannot be listed. If you check this, what will happen is for all the live listings, if any live listing contains where or keyword, it will close the listings. And enable best offers, and please click here to read it, and international visibility, click here to read it, and private listings, you can click here to read it. Mainly the create private listings means it won't show your listing details on the feedback page, and all this you can click the chevron to read it. And I would recommend that this one's suggested by eBay categories. So if you don't add any categories, then it will all add automatically based on the product item. Search list product eBay catalog, and click this one. What will happen is it will search first on if the product is in catalog. If it's not in catalog, then it's create as a new listings. Okay, once you've done all these, and click here to save changes, create it now. Click here, this icon to edit, and you can add the returns. And 60 days. And this one for checkout instruction, you can add any instruction for the checkout. And this one, eBay has been discontinued all these, so you don't need to use this one. Okay. Payments. When you come to payments, it has slightly different than eBay. What will happen is if you want to use the PayPal has okay, basically what will happen is this one for macro payment. If you have a below 6 listing, if any payment, any of your item goes over £6, it will be added this paper. So you can save some money on micro payment and standard payments. So whoever doing eBay business, they will know all about this. Okay. And if you want instant payment required, and click here. In case if you do physical items and you want to allow the buyer to come and pick up from your store, and click here and click collect. And another one's categories. Okay, this categories for channel categories and store eBay store categories. If you want to add default categories, in case if suggest category not been assigned to any of the listings, this category can be used as a default categories. Search it, shirt, and then add it here. Okay, this we can add as this one as a default category, and click Save Changes. And same things for here also. If you have a store category, and click here to add the store categories attribute. Here you can map the attribute with a different name. But if you click here and color, see, if you put color, we can change it to. What will happen now is when you create listings, this spelling, this word will going to be on the listing instead of CLOR. COLR. Right, okay. And the variations. When they come to variation, if you click this, the images will be used from only one image used from parent and child product. If you click this one, it will take only main image from child items. And if you click this one, it will take only main image from parent items. If you uncheck all this, it will take all the images and list it into eBay. And same things this one also. If you want to put different options, same. If you put size, and if you want to display option name as a quantity, and then you can change the amount. What will happen now is any options come to size, it will show on eBay listing as an amount. Shipping. This one for the item shipping sections. This one's okay. This one, if you want a flat, keep it flat. Calculated. And if you want more detail, and just you can find the detail from eBay site. Right. Okay. And if you want to add max dispatch time, and uncheck this one and put or choose whatever you want. Right. If you want to use item max dispatch time, then check these ones. Right. And if you're using the shipping rate table, and click yes. If you don't use it, just leave it as it is. And this one for the location, item location, where you keep it, where you dispatch from. Okay, this one. Okay. And this one, include locations. If you want to include any locations for the shipping, and click all these. If you want to exclude shipping locations, you click that and add here. And you can add a shipping service here. Royal Mail second class sign for $4.99, no, free. If you want to add additional shipping service, use item. Okay. Right, and this one, use item attribute for the postal service price. So you can add the postal price in inventory item as attribute, and you can select this attribute here. So if the brand as attribute name, and if you add the price, if you click this one, any price that you added on there, it will reflect on here automatically when you create listings. And use include location for each shipping service. And when you put exclude location here, so in case if you want to ship to the any certain location, even if it's that exclude location, so you can check that, and you can click to include it. Same if you include German, it will this item, the item you listed via this configurator will be able to send it to Germany. And this one use weight rules. So this one, what will happen is, if you want to charge based on weight, same let's see here, from weight, from 500 gram to 2 kg, shipping price is 2, additional price is 1, something like this. Okay, and same things happen. Same things, you can put different rule here to add up based on shipping weight. Okay. And that's done. Template. This template, we have added a default template here for the descriptions. And all the tag has been added for the title, description, images. If you want to add new design, and you can just paste things here, HTML code here, and add a tag like this. Say image 1, image 2, and image 3 here. Like this. Okay, and for these descriptions, you can see from here. Okay, so and once you've done all the changes, and don't forget to save changes. That's it. Now ready to list using this configurator. Okay, and click